A huge political showdown has erupted over the death of Baba Siddiqui, specifically from the NCP to which Baba Siddiqui belonged, asking what kind of a law and order status is there in the state of Maharashtra. This is NCP MLA, NCP Ajit faction MLA, questioning the inaction of cops, and he's asking why was no security given to Siddiqui, no security despite a threat 15 days ago. And there was a very blatant threat to him 15 days ago. Now remember, he did have a security, but it clearly wasn't enough. I want to immediately bring in Vidya on this. Vidya, you tell me that what precisely happened in this case, and also let's listen in to what Amol Mitkari has to say.
15 दिन पहले उनको धमकी आई थी, ऐसा पता चला है। और दूसरी बात, अगर उनको धमकी अगर आई थी तो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का इशू क्यों यहाँ पे निर्माण हुआ, उनको सुरक्षा व्यवस्था क्यों प्रोवाइड नहीं की गई। बिश्नोई गैंग से कुछ उस एंगल से इसका पूरी जांच पड़ताल होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि बिश्नोई गैंग वालों ने जब ये सलमान खान हो या शाहरुख खान हो, इनके बहुत करीबी रह चुके हैं बाबा सिद्दीकी साहब, तो इसमें ये पता चलता है कि उन लोगों का कोई हाथ तो नहीं है इसमें।
Vidya, so clearly it appears a full-on political showdown here, charging at the police establishment in Maharashtra. But also tell me, one, apart from what are these netas saying, what are we expecting today in terms of who will be produced in the court? What about the custody that the police have of the accused?
The accused, the two accused who had been arrested yesterday, they are in police custody till 21st of 7 days of interrogation. Obviously, they'll sustain interrogation is something that the Mumbai police will get. But remember, the other accused, Praveen Lontar, who has just been arrested from Pune yesterday, he will be produced in court today. Apart from that, the Mumbai police is trying to make sure Shiv Kumar, the third accused who had actually shot at Baba Siddiqui and who is on the run, he is arrested. So they're trying their best. They're trying to ensure that he doesn't run away from Maharashtra, at least so that he can curtail, he can get arrested right here. But about 15 teams of Mumbai police have been formed. They are in other states. Remember, because these accused belong to, one is from Haryana, the other is one is from, the third is also from Uttar Pradesh. So all these teams are spread out in other states. One is also in Madhya Pradesh, to make sure that if there are these accused who have run away to all these other places, whether they can be arrested. So about 15 teams of Mumbai police are right now investigating and trying to get hold of the other accused. Of course, any other information that they get from sustained interrogation of the two accused and the third accused who has been arrested now, immediately, all that information is conveyed to the other teams to make sure that they get the information. Also, CCTV footages from across the city to find out where exactly Shiv Kumar. Remember, Mumbai has thousands and thousands of CCTV cameras installed everywhere.
Absolutely.
To track down where exactly Shiv Kumar left, from Nirmal Nagar, where did he go, whether he changed clothes, whether he changed his look. All that is being looked into to make sure that Shiv Kumar, the person who shot at Baba Siddiqui, is brought to custody.
Vidya, keep tracking the latest on that, because one fact is clear, that Baba Siddiqui was a very well-connected individual. An NCP neta, knew top of the top in the political fraternity, in the film fraternity, and therefore, what is important is what precisely will happen and will the mystery ever be solved. Joining me on the phone line is Mr. Mahesh Tapse. He's from the NCP. Mr. Mahesh, good morning, because what I'm trying to understand is why do you think that the NCP leaders have been saying that this is on the Chief Minister, it is on the government? How can an individual be targeted? What do you have to say specifically over this death, which in many ways is still unclear as a reason?
Well, good morning, and on behalf of NCP Sharad Pawar, let me pay my last respect to the party leader Baba Siddiqui. I've been watching very closely the statement of leaders of NCP Ajit Pawar, including Amol Mitkari and Chhagan Bhujbal, in which they squarely blamed the government, not only the Home Minister, but also the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, for the lapses in the security arrangement of Baba Siddiqui. Now, this is very crucial. I mean, in the state of Maharashtra, and particularly in a city like Mumbai, if an elected representative, an ex-minister, a prominent leader is not, and that too belonging to a ruling party, is not safe, I mean, how do you ensure the safety of normal citizens? What we are reading, the contract killing amount was some maybe 1 or 2 lakhs rupees, and these people who came to shoot him were just in their early 20s or something like that. So if this is the crime rate of Mumbai, I mean, God forbid what would be in the state of rural Maharashtra and the country overall. So I mean, this
do you
is
also
something,
believe this is a full-on law and order failure? And importantly,
I
do you
totally
believe
believe
this
it's
is
a law and
Lawrence
order
Bishnoi
failure.
gang issue or something else?
No, I do not know which gang is after that, but I believe it's a pure intelligence failure. A person who has already been accorded security, his whereabouts and his entire movement is generally tapped by the intelligence department of the local police thing. And what I was also reading that Baba Siddiqui, late Baba Siddiqui, also made a complaint to the police department saying that there is a threat to his life. 15 days ago, he had put up a paper to the Bombay Police Commissioner. But why they have not acted on it, there's something that Bombay Police itself has to, now explain. And where is the intelligence? I mean, such a close encounter, something like this is happening.
Yes.
That too, he has this armed security with him, and they could not prevent such a big thing. I mean, this is very, very, very disturbing for all of us.
All right. Thank you very much for now, Mr. Mahesh Tapsen. We'll be tracking all the latest on that. Remember, this is concerning. And while the NCP leaders are claiming that there was a threat on him, the fact is he also had a certain security with him. So what precisely happened, only perhaps in the next few days, we'll know.